How to fix common errors in Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix common errors in Snapchat. So to fix common errors in Snapchat, you have to ensure your device has a stable internet connection and that the application is updated to the latest version. So basically, these are some of the basic checks that you could go with in order to make sure that you don't have a common errors on Snapchat. Now, other thing what you could also do is you could also try restarting your Snapchat application, that is completely close the app, and when you locate Snapchat, long press, go to the app info icon, and next you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to click on clear cache, and this is also going to help. Other thing, you could update the app to the latest version. Head over to your respective app store and type in Snapchat on the search bar, and you could update the app to the latest version. Other than that, you could also check the Snapchat status. Sometimes it could be the issue with the server itself, so you have to check that as well. And likewise, other thing, you also want to make sure that Snapchat has the necessary permissions enabled, such as camera and location. If you don't know how to do this or how to check your permissions, you need to do the same thing. That is, long press, go to the app info section, and here you have the permissions. Go ahead and check your permissions as well. And this is the way you could fix common errors in Snapchat. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.